Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will discuss about quick select feature in AutoCAD. So for example, if you are working on a very large drawing and if you want to calculate some specific thing in that drawing, you can use this option. Or if you want to select any specific thing in very large drawing, you can use this option as well. This is very wonderful option. So quick select option is in home tab under utility group. Okay, this is the utility. I will just click on this drop down arrow. You can see one of the option like quick select here. Okay, you can just activate from here as well, or you can use what command for that. The command is QSE. What? QSE for quick select. I will hit enter. Now quick select window will be appear in front of you. Here you can see that some of the options like apply to, you want to apply whole drawing, or you can apply it on some specific area, or you can use some multiple object. You can use polyline, line, hatch. Okay, I will just explain to you what are these. Okay, and the properties, maybe you will just apply on layer, color, line type. Okay, line type, scale. So mostly we are going to use as color or for layer. Okay, if you want to just select some specific thing that is under a specific layer, you can use layer option. Okay, now for example, I want to select this leader. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select this entire drawing, then I will just select from here multiple, then I will select from here layer. Okay, and the operator equal to what is equal to leader. Okay, I will select this one. Now I will press what? OK. Now you can see here all of the leader are going to select here. Now if you want to just select something in specific area, you can use this command as well. Again I will just enter this command QSE. I will hit enter. Then what I will do, I will just select from here any specific area. Okay, select the object that you want. Okay, I will just click on this one. I will just want to select the leader from this area, only this area, not this area. Okay, so I will just select all of this area, then I will press enter, and then I will just select this one. Okay, what? Layer, then equal to leader, then I will press OK. Now you can see it is only selecting the leader that are in this specific area. Now if you want to select this hatch, for example, so again I will just use this command. Okay, I will hit enter, then I will just select what? I will select from here hatch. Okay, instead of multiple, you can use the here polyline if there are polylines, multi leaders. Okay, so I will select what? Hatch, then I will select by layer. Okay, then I will go here and I will select what? Hatch again, then I will hit enter. Now you can see the hatch here is going to select. So this is how we can use quick select option. For example, if you want to just find the quantity of something, for example, I want to just draw here circle. Okay, I want to draw here some circle. Okay, then here, and note that this is under circle layer. Okay, so it is very important to know about that the things should be in under layer. So for example, I want to calculate this circle. I can use quick select tool for this also. Okay, I want to just activate that one. I will hit enter. Then what I will do, I will select some specific area. Okay, where I want to just calculate this circle. Okay, I will just select this one. Okay, then I will hit enter again. I will go by layer. Okay, then what I will do, the operator should equal to what? Circle. Okay, now I will hit enter. Now you can see all of the circle are going to select. Then I will right click, I will go into the properties, and here it is giving me that these are 10 circle. Okay, so right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is how you can just calculate the thing as well. So this is very good feature. You can use this one, you can practice this one. I hope you understand this session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.